Now the remaining part of the chapter. Transmission medium. What is transmission medium? In order to form a network, computer must be connected to any one other that may be in the form of a wire or cable. Let's learn more about transmission medium. So in order to form a network computers, we must be connected to each other to form a wire or cable. So we will be learning about the different transmission media. First is wired transmission medium. Wired means in which we are having the wire. Twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, these all are the cable which are having the wire, which we call wired transmission medium. Two wires are twisted together and insulated in the twisted pair cable. You can see the two wires which are being twisted together. It is known as a twisted pair cable. They are being insulated. This helps to reduce the disturbance in noise and in the signals. So this helps to reduce the disturbance in the noise as well as in the signals. This cable is usually used in pair of two or more, all in a single cable. So this cable is used in the pair of two or more. It is usually used in the pair and in the single cable. This type of the cable has two varieties: shielded twisted pair and unshielded. These are having two varieties, shielded as well as unshielded. Next is coaxial cable. What is coaxial cable? This cable is an electrical cable that has a conductor in the center. It is having the conductor in the center. The conductor is insulated and the insulation is surrounded by the conductive layer called the shield, which is again insulated from outside. So the conductor is insulated and the insulation is surrounded by the conductive layer, which we call the sheet, which is again an insulated from outside also. Then optical fiber cable. This type of cable has a glass core in the center which is surrounded by protective material. So this type of cable, it is having a glass core in the center which is surrounded by protective material. The transmission of data in this cable takes place in the form of light. It takes place in the form of light and it is not in the form of electrical signals, which eliminates the problem of electric interference. Then optical fiber cable is quite expensive as compared to coaxial and twisted pair cable. It can be transferred. It can transfer signal over very long distance. Then it can transfer the data at very long distance also. The data speed, transfer speed is also very high in this type of cable. Next is wireless transmission medium. What is wireless? Which is not having any wire. Our data can be transmitted without the use of the wire by using a system of wireless transmission medium. Then infrared waves can be transmitted the data within a very short distance. Also there should be no physical barriers in the between. Infrared, it can transmit data at very short distance. There should be no physical barrier, like the communication between a TV and the remote control is done through the infrared waves. TV and remote, if there is a wall in between, then remote will not work because it is having infrared waves which works at a very short distance. Then mouse and the keyboard are the example of infrared to transfer data. Then microwave transmission. These waves are unidirectional and are used for terrestrial communication or satellite communication also. This communication is a line of sight communication. You must have seen tower with antennas mounted on them, and they need to be in the direct sight of each other for the communication to happen. Then to extend the range of antennas are placed at the high building or structure. To extend the range, we put the antennas at the highest part of the building or the structure. These waves pass through the Earth's atmosphere with the quiet and ease, and hence are used in transmit data on the satellite. So these waves pass through the Earth's atmosphere with the quiet and ease, and hence it is used to transmit data to the satellite. So the chapter is over. Now you have to do the exercises in your notebook. Exercises means the fill-ups, full forms. Then choose the correct options. Then answer the following also you have to do in notebook. This I will be providing you. I will be giving you the slides. This also you have to do in your notebooks. Then the diagram also you have to draw. Then solve the jumble words also you have to draw. So the first chapter is finished. Complete this in your notebook.